Blue Creamberries was a new tomato variety for me this year, and I'm not quite sure how to feel about this variety. They are a very pretty tomato, kind of a peach color with a little bit of blue on them, and the flavor is actually really good. They're nice and fruity, and I really like them. But it just wasn't very productive for me, and this plant really struggled all summer. This tomato plant has been one of the first of the year to kind of peter out and die off, and I never got that many tomatoes off of it. Now, it may not have been planted in the best location. The other tomatoes in this bed haven't done well either, so it might not be anything against this variety. But for the taste, I want to grow it again, and if I can come up with the space to grow it next year, I will, and see if it grows better in a different location. Of course, this has just been my experience. If you try growing this variety, you might have different results.